Okay, what day is it? It's Thursday. Haven't blogged for at least a couple of days, I think. Unfortunately, as I've said in my earlier diary entries, life gets in the way. I think my last entry I was having a little bit of a spill session, I'll call it, where I was letting you know that I had a mutiny in my business. Well, I had to attend to that, of course, and interrupted my trading a little bit, as it would. So I had to spend the morning in my business yesterday, which was Thursday the 10th of the 7th. It is now the 11th of the 7th. Consequently missed my gym session this morning because I was so mentally drained, which made me physically drained, and this is what you get for having staff. Consequently, my trading account and hobby, whatever you want to call it, my slot machine, does not drain me the same way. So I've got some things I want to show you today. So I've been sitting it out long overnight. I missed my cue at 11 o'clock last night because I slept through, unfortunately, trying to arrange a bit of an alarm clock session there for me, because I really needed to. If you have a look here at the 2-day session, I needed to, well, there was a 4 o'clock session there which I would have been up for the gym, you can see that, but at midnight there we peaked there and we troughed. Oh no, that's not midnight, sorry, here, peaked there. That was at lunchtime actually. I could have got out there at a profit, but I was I think I was here or I wasn't here quite. Anyway, whatever, there was actually 1, 2, 3 times in the day I could have got out possibly at a profit, and then again at 4 o'clock when I should have been up, but I was absolutely knackered. So there you have it. Anyway, that's how trading goes, but we're still running on along. We're sitting in there, and I'm actually going against my rules a little bit here, mainly because I can see that I can actually make a profit on NQ. I'm actually chasing this here now to try to get in, because it has come down and it's going to go up again. I'm on the 2-hour 5-minute bar chart, so I can see quite clearly there that I can still make a profit, so I'm going back in. Since I'm here because I'm not at the gym, because of my business, which between you and me I have plans for. Anyway, don't want to go into that too much. We're here for the trading, and there's something really important I want to show you. Okay, here we have it. This is called your activity statement, and it's in the brokers directors brokers section in the in your account management. And I love this bit, and I'm a bit of a show off today. Well, I might as well. I love this bit. This is a chart showing you what has happened to my account since I've been back from Bangkok and using my new strategy. Hang on, I think that price just moved. Let's have a look. It did. No, it didn't. Okay, sorry, I was going to adjust that price because I'm still trying to get in there. It's been a bit slow trying to film me, but we'll see what happens there. Okay, so what I want to show you is this. It's called a net asset value distribution chart, and it should show you. It doesn't actually show you. Let's see if we can make it bigger. No, we can't. Sorry, I'm losing my focus there. Okay, you can just see that the fund started. It should show you the funds. It doesn't show you for some reason today. Okay, this is where we started, and you can just see. There we go. Does it say there? Yeah. So the balance was, what says there? 15,000, nearly 16,000. Okay, and we have just. This is on a daily occurrence, and it will show you there. My cursor was showing you that the account has just basically gone up. Something else I want to show you, especially since I'm on such a session with the business. So to date, that's not including yesterday's trading, we've made $9,960.25, which is a 63.31% increase. That has cost me, can you see that very well? Oh, I better to That has actually cost me in commissions $311.88 to make nearly $10,000. It's cost me just over $300. I find that personally very interesting, because for me to turn over $10,000 in my business, which is what we should be doing, which we're not presently doing, which is why I have to attend to it at the present time. Let's check this price again, just see if we've got to chase it again. So I would have made money already if we'd got in. It just flipped down again, and it's flicking all over the place here now. I'm trying to get in there. It costs me at least $5,000 every week to run my shop. That should be turning over $10,000. At the present time, it's turning over, say, approximately between $6,500–7,000. It should be making $12,000, but all the same, it cost me $2,000 in rent a week just to run that shop. And you can see there on that chart here, let's look at the date range. I think it's been probably 3 weeks. It's from the 24th of the June to the 9th of July, so that would be 2 weeks and 2 days. It has cost me to make $10,000 out of $16,000, we'll call it, for $300. I'm sorry, that just sounds really that big sigh. Sounds awfully negative, I know. Sorry, I'm going to find my simulating account there, because I'm just trying to chase this. Excuse me, but it's quite a depressing confession to make at this stage of the game, because quite frankly, I hate to say it, but I think the conventional way of business is a waste of time, and this is going to be the way I am going to make my living for the rest of my life. I don't actually physically work in the shop only on the weekends, because the market is closed. I would like to trade 7 days a week. It wouldn't worry me one little bit. I find it at this particular time and place quite easy to trade, and I think you would too if you followed my strategy at this stage. Can't see it changing, as the strategy is working for me, and this is how I'd suggest that you do it. But you can follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and watch for yourself and make your own decisions. But if you're running a conventional business out there and struggling, which I think 90% of small businesses are, I feel very sorry for small little shops when I go into them these days, because I know exactly how hard it is, and day in and day out sitting in those 4 walls and hoping like hell that you can pay the rent the next week. My cash flow is not fantastic at the moment, hence why I'm a couple of $100 short trying to start my live account, which was my goal this week. But I have this coup going on in my business, so once I get that sorted out, hopefully our cash flow will start flowing again, and we will get enough money in our live account, and we will be off, and we will show you how it's done. And I will be looking at getting out of conventional business, which I've been saying for years, but now that I've changed my strategy and I realise what I was doing wrong, and now I realise how to do it right, I feel quite confident and quite happy and quite convinced. There we go, we're in. Let's make some money on that. Because I'm here, I'm not really too worried about it. Let's see, we'll just make some money on that. I can also show you, actually, while we're here, the trades icon for the week. There we have it. Mostly blue. There's little turnaround bad trading there. So it was 2 trades and 2 there, so that's 4 trades for the week were negative, as opposed to all those blues. Make it nice and big to show off again, mainly just to show you that it can be done, and that's why I'm simming, and that's why I'm doing this blogging. Really, I mean, 1, obviously it helps me, but 2, I really want to share it with whoever wants to listen. Okay, there you have it. There you have it for today. Today being the 11th of the 7th, 2013, Thursday morning. Everything's subject to change. We do what we have to do in life, and one is to be a successful commodities trader is my goal. Has been my goal for some time, and I hate to say it, but sometimes it's better just not to listen to other people and to do what you think's best for you. So there's a little bit of advice there. Just show you that that's the YM. You can see quite clearly it's going up. This green line here is where I got in. That's where I've got out previously. This is where I've got my order sitting. If it changes, I'm just going to cash out, grab that money and run. Here's the Australian dollar. What's that been doing? I think, yeah, it's been a bit all over the place, a bit jumpy, but it's going down, which really would say that the indexes should be going down as well. But I can see clearly they're going up. I think it's slowing up here. Same with the US CAD. I mean, I use these as, you know, indicators to help me with my decision. It's slowly going down. That means that the indexes will be going up. But I don't use it as a hard and fast rule. I just use it there to say, okay, what I thought was the right thing. See, it's going up there, so really in reality, if I was using that as a true indicator, that would be going down. But I can see clearly it's going up, and look, it's changing now. So we could be looking at getting out of this. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Might make another cup of tea. I don't really like being in the market this close to the end of the day, trading day. So we might just get out at a profit and run. Yeah, I'm adjusting my prices here now. Because, you know, I don't really want any negative trades at all. This is a negative range here now, so this could have been a mistake. If it is, all I will do is sit and wait. It's no big deal. You know, it's just the way I trade, and it's the way I look at it. I will just wait until it comes into profit, and I'll then cash out. And what the worst can happen is it'll go a couple of hundred negative, and I just wait until it's a couple of hundred or whatever. You can see there I've taken $176. I did actually get up at 2 o'clock. I woke up and oh my god, okay. I was like, I'm not going to the gym the way I'm feeling right now, because it's only 2 hours away before I have to wake up again. So I just grabbed that $176. I should have sat, I could have sat and made more. So we go against our rules a bit at the moment, and we will see if that will actually pay off in the long run. So it looks like it's going a bit against us here now, so we will see. The ES is going up again though, so you can see that there. We had a red candle, now we've got a green candle, and that's what I will do. I'll just watch each chart. See, there's another green there for NQ, so we'll just hang in there. We won't say that it's going against us yet. It's still trending long there. Got another green candle on YM. I find YM moves the fastest, so it tends to be a good indicator on the three indexes of what's going to happen next. ES seems to be a slow mover, but it's the strongest one, as in I will tend to look at that and say that what the ES does, the rest of them will do, and NQ seems to be the slowest. NQ will be slower to react to the other two indexes. That's just what I've found by watching them for the last 5 years. Anyway, I'm going to sign off here. I would really like it if you could subscribe to my channel so that I could just know that this is of help to somebody. I really would like it to be helpful, and I really would like somebody to be able to share my trading success at this point in time. But I know that I'm successful, so that is the main thing, and I think in time people will be able to see that for themselves. Okay, subscribe. It costs you nothing, and you could be making money. Thanks guys, see you soon.